20 stylish and functional closet organization tips. Having a well-organized closet can transform your daily routine, making it easier to find your favorite outfits and accessories. A tidy closet also makes your space feel more luxurious and inviting. Here are 20 stylish and functional closet organization tips to help you maximize your closet space and keep it looking fabulous. 1. Use matching hangers. Invest in matching hangers to create a cohesive look. Velvet hangers are a great choice as they save space and prevent clothes from slipping. 2. Install adjustable shelving. Adjustable shelving allows you to customize your closet to fit your needs. You can change the height of shelves to accommodate different items as your wardrobe evolves. 3. Incorporate drawer dividers. Drawer dividers are perfect for organizing smaller items like socks, underwear, and accessories. They keep everything in its place and make it easy to find what you need. 4. Add a second hanging rod. Double your hanging space by adding a second rod below your existing one. This is ideal for shorter items like shirts, skirts, and pants. 5. Use baskets and bins. Baskets and bins are great for storing items that don't hang well, such as sweaters, scarves, and handbags. Label them for easy identification. 6. Install a shoe rack. Keep your shoes off the floor and neatly organized with a shoe rack. This will not only save space, but also make it easier to see your shoe collection. 7. Utilize door space. Hang hooks or over-the-door organizers on the inside of your closet door. This space is perfect for storing bags, belts, and scarves. 8. Add lighting. Proper lighting is essential for a functional closet. Consider installing LED strip lights or a small chandelier to brighten up your space. 9. Use clear storage boxes. Clear storage boxes make it easy to see what's inside without having to open each one. They are great for seasonal items or accessories. 10. Implement a color coding system. Organize your clothes by color to create a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate closet. This makes it quicker to find items and put outfits together. 11. Invest in a jewelry organizer. Keep your jewelry tangle-free and easily accessible with a jewelry organizer. There are many stylish options that can be hung or placed on a shelf. 12. Create a capsule wardrobe. Reduce clutter by creating a capsule wardrobe. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. 13. Use shelf dividers. Shelf dividers help keep stacks of clothes from toppling over and make it easier to keep items like jeans and sweaters organized. 14. Hang a mirror. A full-length mirror is a must-have in any closet. It helps you check your outfit and makes the space feel larger and brighter. 15. Store off-season clothes. Keep off-season clothes out of the way by storing them in bins on higher shelves or under the bed. This frees up space for current season items. 16. Label everything. Labels are key to maintaining an organized closet. Label shelves, bins, and boxes to ensure everything has a designated place. 17. Install pull-out racks. Pull-out racks are perfect for belts, ties, and scarves. They keep these items neatly stored and easily accessible. 18. Use matching storage containers. Matching storage containers create a uniform look and help keep your closet looking tidy. Choose a style that matches your closet decor. 19. Add hooks for accessories. Install hooks on the inside of your closet for accessories like hats, bags, and necklaces. This keeps them visible and within reach. 20. Regularly declutter. Regularly go through your closet and declutter items you no longer wear. This keeps your closet organized and makes room for new pieces. By implementing these stylish and functional closet organization tips, you can create a space that not only looks great, but also makes your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Happy organizing!